Hello and welcome. I've been asked to explain my three-line strategy and why I'm getting a reasonable amount of success on trading gold using that strategy. First of all, I need to explain it's not my strategy, it's actually Jeff Goodwin's V70 Ninja strategy, which you'll find within the Ninja group. But I'm going to show you how I approach using this strategy. First of all, I'm going to very quickly and with very little explanation set up my three lines for the start of trading on Monday. It's now Saturday afternoon, December the 4th, and I'm going to set myself up ready for trading, opening trading on Monday the 6th. So I'm just going to share my screen. There we go. So this is TradingView, and it's just as it comes out of the box on the free version. I'm going to assume that you're going to be using the free version. I'll go back later in this video and go through how you use the TradingView paid for versions. But for now, we're just looking at the free TradingView version. So this is how it comes out the box. The only difference between what you see here and what you'll actually see if you're brand new to TradingView is that you'll be presented with this along the bottom here, which is actually the volume on a time basis. So for instance, that large candle there, which was 1:30 on Friday afternoon, was the highest volume of trading of that day. But just to keep this really simple, for the minute, I'm going to hide that. I'm going to also explain that when you take this free version of TradingView out of the box, it won't be showing you gold versus the dollar. It'll be showing you some other indices or Forex pair. All I'll say is if you type anywhere on this screen, if you just type in XAU USD, it'll come up with all of these. These are various data feeds from various brokers. And if your trading account is with any of these brokers, I would suggest that you use their data feed, and then the price will match what they give you when you trade it. If you're not with any of these brokers, just pick one. My preference is Global Prime, for the simple reason that Jeff Goodwin uses Global Prime. Just going to get into full screen so that we can, there we go, that's better. So having found XAU USD, what you need to do is, and this is me, this is how I set up my trades for a Monday morning. So that line there is actually the beginning of trading for the Friday session. It was actually 11, I'm in the UK, so that was 11 p.m. on Thursday evening. And that there is 11 p.m. on Friday evening. I'm going to show you how to set up for trading on Monday morning. And I'm not really going to explain what I'm doing in any sort of depth. I'm just going to do it basically to show you how quickly you can get yourself set up and how easy it is. So first of all, if you watch where my cursor is at the top here, and you count from this crosshair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then click on the arrow next to it, you've got prediction and measurement tools, and I'm going down to fixed range volume profile. All I do is click on that 11 o'clock line there, and I click anywhere on that line there, and of course it doesn't work. So we'll try that again. Fixed range volume, 11 o'clock. There we go, works this time. Sometimes it plays around. So this is Friday, trading from 11 o'clock Thursday night through to 10 o'clock Friday night. And this area here is where all 100% of the trades were placed during that day. We're interested in where the lines are a bit darker. So from there down to there. So I'm going to put 3 lines on. I'll put a line at the top of that dark area there. And I'm going to make that blue, and I'm going to make it a bit thicker. There we go. And then I'm going to put another one down there. And then the third line, I superimpose on that red line there. And I'll change the color to red. There we have it. We have our 3 lines. What we've actually got is our target area. So when the market opens Sunday night, Monday morning, this point of control, Friday's point of control becomes Monday's target. This strategy is based on the belief that price will always go back to that line there. It acts like a magnet. So I'll put a couple of more labels on just so you know, so you can visualize what we're doing here. So that's the value area high. And finally, you can type these in yourself. I've created a template, so I don't have to type them in every day. I just go up to the templates. So we have now an area of interest. This is our field of play. If you wish, you can put a rectangle on there, put some color on it, and that highlights your field of play. Just try and put it down to okay, so we're now looking at, that's Monday. Now, the strategy is actually based on some very simple guidelines. Let me just put another template on here. So this is what we've just done. We've added the 3 lines. First of all, we added the indicator on the free version of TradingView. We use FRVP, which I'll show you again later. We've added a line at yesterday's value area high, another one at yesterday's value area low, and one at yesterday's point of control. That point of control becomes today's target. And this is our field of play. So looking at Monday, this is the end of Friday going into Monday. We're looking for price to come into this field of play and then go down to our target. It really is as simple as that. I'll add another bit of information here for you. Another template. And that is, is price within your field of play? Well, no, it's not. Clearly, price is going to open around about there. It may shift from where it was on Friday evening because of a certain amount of manipulation, but it will open around about here. So it's not yet in our field of play. If price is above the target, look to sell. Well, yes, if it comes down, let's put a little arrow on there. If it comes down from there to there, then we start to take interest. And we'll be looking for a sell from there down to there. There you have it. I'm done. I'll wait until market opens 11 o'clock Sunday night, see where price is, decide if I want to get into a trade or not. Easy. Now I'll go into a bit more detail. So I'll just get rid of some of these. I get rid of these lines. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Thursday and Friday and see what actually happened using this strategy. Just clean this up. Okay, so that was Friday, that was Thursday's point of control transferred across into Friday. We'll ditch that, we'll get rid of that. And we'll make a more detailed explanation now. So what I want to do is look at Thursday with a view to trades on Friday. Okay. Just cleaning this up, then it's easier to see. So first of all, I'm going to get rid of Friday's trading for now. So Friday's disappeared. So you can imagine this is, or you can pretend this is the end of Thursday. So this is the start of Thursday here. I'll put a, and I'll just explain something else here at this point. There's a star down at the bottom of this. If you click on that, it will give you all of your favorite tools. So if I want to draw a vertical line, I can, instead of going up here and finding the vertical line by clicking on there and looking at vertical line, I can just go down here. Yeah, we'll get rid of that. Click a vertical line there. And that's 2300. And I can click on a vertical line at the end of Thursday's trading. And that's where we're looking for the volume profile. I'll move that out of the way. Volume profile. Follow my cursor. Crosshair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Click on the arrow. You get a drop-down menu, fixed range volume profile. Click on that. Then you click on that line. And you click on that line. And there you go. You have Thursday's volume profile. We're looking at trading this on Friday. So once again, we'll draw 3 lines. Horizontal ray. And we put it there. It wants to be blue. I'll put another one there. And we'll put a third one superimposed on that red line, and we'll make that red. And there you have it. There you've got your 3 lines. If you want to make it more visually clear, you can draw a rectangle from there to there, and that's your field of play. You can put your value area high, target, and your value area low. There. You're done. You can get rid of the volume profile. So this is the area we're interested in on Friday. Price is actually within our field of play, there or thereabouts. Price is actually increasing, it's going up. So what we're looking for, if that opened, unless it drops down there, we'll be looking for a buy. So let's just mark out what we think we're looking at on Monday morning is a buy. Up to that point, we'll make that green. That's what we're expecting. Would you like to see what actually happened on Friday? By magic. What? Oh, yes. So price actually started where we expected, and it went all the way up to our target. And indeed, it went even further. So if you've been brave enough to get in there at 11 o'clock on Thursday night and then sit on your hands and wait and see what happens, let's just measure that. We started off there and we ended up there, and that was 180 pips. If we just went to the target, that's 130 pips. Not bad. But what I do is I try to be a bit more subtle about these trades. I actually took that trade. I took 100 pips out of that trade. I got in down here, which is not part of this strategy, not part of this basic strategy, but Jeff has developed the strategy since this one was launched. And I'll do some more videos on other opportunities for trades in the future. But for now, 130 pips up to the target. That'll do me. Right, so I said I would add some confirmations. So the first confirmation I want to add is an indicator. Let's just add these confirmations. So what I look for, because we're looking for buys, I'm looking for a ninja up and a ninja matrix up. So we had a ninja up there, and the next ninja was a ninja down there. So there was an opportunity to get some pips. Now let's look at the matrix. Ninja up, ninja matrix up, and it stayed green all the way to there. So if you just trusted the matrix, it would have got you out a little bit further down. And then you could have got back in there and gone up to there. You could have got back in. I wouldn't have got in at this area here because it was consolidating. And that huge spike on that candle there was exactly 1:30 in the afternoon. This was non-farm payrolls, 1:30 in the afternoon. We expect some shenanigans, and we got them. It spiked up, it spiked down, it spiked down, it spiked down, it spiked down, it spiked up. But here, we're already in a ninja up, we got a ninja matrix up, and sure enough, it went all the way to our target. So ninja up, matrix up, we get that. Let's add a couple more indicators. Let's add the trend change. So this is the green red line. This is a 13 MA. From this point, we've got a green line indicating a buy, red indicating a sell, green indicating a buy, red, and then green all the way up there. So yes, we had a color change there, a color change there, a color change there. Let's put some more indicators on. I'm going to put two more EMAs. Now, the yellow EMA, which you'll see there, is a 5 moving average. The orange is the 20 moving average. Now look at this point here, the yellow is above the 13 and above the 20. Continues to be until that point there. PSAR flipped. Let's check the PSARs. There we go. PSAR are these orange coloured dots. And you see that they're actually below the price, all the way here, all the way there. So they're indicating a buy. Then they flip to the top, so they're indicating a sell. And they flip to the bottom, so they're indicating a buy. And they flip to the top, indicating a sell. And they flip back to the bottom. Now the interesting thing here is that the distance between the PSAR and the candle is huge, and it actually gets bigger. So this is a very strong buy move. At this point, the PSAR is almost touching the candle. So not as much momentum at that point. You'd be well advised to get out of that trade, because I think it's actually going to go down. Maybe wrong. So we've got the 5 MA crossed over the 13 MA. Yes. I'm sort of experimenting with the 5 MA and the 13 MA both having crossed over the 20 MA. At the minute, the jury's out. I'm not 100% certain that that's necessary, but I will come back to that. So, 2 things I want to show you. If you're a member of the Ninja group and you've got access to the Facebook page, you go to the guides, guide number 10, is Jeff Goodwin's V70, and he's got over 30 videos and links in there. I strongly suggest that you go through those. And then if you go to number 6, you'll see Paul Turner's videos on how to access the Ninja Matrix and the Ninjacator. So there we have it. That's how I set up my trades. And we're looking to see what happens on Sunday night, Monday morning. This will be my target. This is my field of play. Oh, sorry. This was my target on Friday. As you've already seen, there's a different field of play for Monday. So let's just go back and have a look at that. Let's go there to there. And you see our point of control on Friday is here. There. Need to get rid of that. So going from Friday to Monday, this is our area of interest. This is our field of play. So we're starting off up there, and we're expecting to come down here and down to the target. Friday's point of control becomes our target. Value area low is exactly or almost exactly the same as it was for the day before. Well, there you go. There you have it. I hope you've enjoyed that. If you did, if you've got any questions, just message me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.